Hi there, students. To babble. To babble as a verb. To talk in a rapid, confused, excited or silly way. Perhaps you're a bit nervous. So, calm down and stop babbling. A babble would be lots of people talking rapidly all at the same time. The children were babbling excitedly about what had happened. Okay, so to babble, to utter a confusion of sounds. When babies learn to talk, that's babbling. They're repeating a confusion of sounds. Or to babble, to talk foolishly. Okay, I babbled on about my problems and everyone else was quiet. I think they were bored. Now, for example, a stream or a little river that makes a low continuous noise of the water flowing over the stones. A babbling stream. Let's see, if you have a room of people and they're all talking together, yeah, a babble of voices, but then you can use this metaphorically, literally to talk about water flowing over stones, a babbling brook. I could hear the babble of voices in the room next door. Okay, various people talking at the same time. Babies babble, and that soon turns into language. A babble is a low, continuous sound. Stop babbling and speak more slowly. Okay, so babble to keep talking, but rather incoherently, to talk foolishly, irreverently. Stop babbling. Yeah, just say exactly what you think. I guess you could have a babbling of birds, a babbling of a stream. So a babble, incoherent chatter. Okay, so the men were babbling and I couldn't make out anything they were saying. To babble, to talk too much, to chatter, to prattle, to go on. A babble of voices, idle talk, or a confused murmur, or a babbling brook, like a sound of water gently flowing. So to babble, to talk rapidly and continuously in a rather foolish and excited way. They babbled on about the holiday that they'd had. The river babbled over the rocks. It was difficult to hear what the speaker was saying amid the babble of other conversations. Okay, so this babble, it's it's this talking, to speak very rapidly and incoherently. Stop babbling and explain it clearly. To babble, to talk enthusiastically, to talk excessively, yeah, to make babbling sounds. This word's got some onomatopoeia to it as well. If somebody babbles, they talk in a confused, excited way. My dad babbled on about the responsibilities that he was going to have at work. A stream could babble, the birds could babble. I could hear a river babbling in the distance. You could refer to people's voices as a babble of sound where they're all excited or confused and you can't exactly understand what is being said. So to babble, to say things in a incoherent jumble, or to talk foolishly or incessantly, or then a babbling stream, a babbling river. The crowd were babbling about what had happened. I could hear the babble of many voices. I could hear the babble of running water. The babble of voices from the room next door was annoying everybody. I could hear a babble of different languages from the commentators in the commentary box. Okay, so a babble of different languages. Okay, so babble. I think this babble, I'm going to give this a babble to babble, he's babbling. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, we've got a Proto-Germanic word, bablona, to chatter. Proto-Indo-European, ba, or be, to say. So